Hello, reptile enthusiasts. Today we're immersing ourselves in the world of the super Dalmatian Confetti yellow Brindle Gecko, a captivating and unique gecko morph that adds a touch of charm and fascination to your reptile collection. This remarkable gecko has distinctive features and care requirements for successful keeping, but before we dive into the captivating world of the super Dalmatian Confetti yellow Brindle Gecko, remember to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the captivating world of reptiles. This gecko morph is celebrated for its striking and diverse appearance. It showcases a stunning combination of colors and patterns, often featuring a bright yellow base with confetti-like spots and mesmerizing brindle stripes. These unique characteristics make it a standout in any reptile collection. To successfully care for a super Dalmatian Confetti yellow Brindle Gecko, it's essential to provide the right environment. These geckos thrive in a well-maintained vivarium or terrarium with appropriate temperature and humidity levels. They are primarily nocturnal, so providing low intensity of UV lighting is essential. Their diet typically includes a variety of insects and specialized gecko food. Maintaining proper humidity and temperature levels, as well as offering hiding spots and branches for climbing, is crucial for their well-being. Super Dalmatian Confetti yellow Brindle geckos are relatively low maintenance and can adapt well to a properly set up enclosure. Super Dalmatian Confetti yellow Brindle geckos are a versatile and captivating addition to any reptile collection. Their unique appearance and ease of care make them an excellent choice for reptile enthusiasts and collectors. They added a touch of charm and fascination to your living space or reptile room, making them a favorite among reptile keepers. In conclusion, the Super Dalmatian Confetti yellow Brindle Gecko is a captivating and unique gecko morph that can elevate the charm and fascination of any reptile collection. Their distinctive appearance and relatively straightforward care requirements make them a popular choice for reptile lovers. If you found this exploration as intriguing as we did, please give us a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments below. Stay tuned for more insights into the world of reptiles on our channel.